Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to develop a professional LMS website using Elementor and WordPress CMS. So let's start without wasting time. So here you can see right now this is the dashboard of WordPress. So let me give you a walkthrough to this dashboard. Here you can see these are this section. They are these we can drag and drop to reorder them. So these are some updates and news from the plugins. And here is the screen options where we can control it, like we can hide them. Here you can see we will uncheck and these options will be hide. So now this is the home dashboard, and then the updates where all the updates regarding WordPress and plugins and themes will be available here. And then this is the posts section where we have add post and categories and tags, and this is the default post, so we can trash it to make it clear. And then we have the media library options. Here we will add all the media files like images, videos, documents, and SVGs. So these all the media files will be available here that we will use on the website. And then we have the pages, and again we have these default pages that we can trash them. Okay, now we have the option comments option. These are the post or blog post articles comments. And then we have appearance where we have the option of themes, and this is the default theme of uh, WordPress, like you can see 2025. And yes, so we're not going to use it, so we will use the extra theme uh, in the popular. It should be somewhere around here. Okay, here it is. So we will install and activate. It's installing. Just give it a small. Now this is activated. On the front end, this is right now, because this is the we don't have any content on the website. So okay, now when we install the Astra, then we have some more options like design and customizations. Here we have some more options about how it look like. Here you can see this is the Astra theme default design. So we will not gonna use it, we will create our own design. So and custom CSS, here we can add CSS to style it, customize the website. Let's go back. Yes, here on the dashboard. Then we have widgets and menu fonts. So okay, so let's go for the plugins. So here we will add all the plugins that will add features to our website. So right now it is empty because we don't have any plugin. Let's add the first plugin. Here we will add we will go to the popular, and here we have the Elementor. So Elementor is a page builder. We will use it to develop the pages on the website, on the WordPress website. It will take a little time to install. Yes, this is installed, and let's activate it. No, now it is activated. So yes, so we can just cross it. So here we have the Elementor, and we have some widgets as well for the Astra theme. We will add them as well. From here we will add them. Here you can see. Yes, this is good. License is not activated, but the uh, unpaid, its free version is enough for us right now. So let's but we need the Elementor Pro. So we will go here on the elementor.com. From here we will download the Pro plugin, and now we will go here in the plugins and add new plugin, upload plugin, and we will just drag it here, install and activate. After activating it, we will connect it to the, you can see here, WordPress Elementor. So now the status is active. So we have installed and activated the Elementor plugin. So okay, after that plugins, we will have the option of users, where all the users will be available. Right now there is only one user, and which is admin, you can see. So from here we can add new plugin, new user, and this is the profile page. And then we have settings in journal. Let's see what we have in journal. Yes, this is something like we will do some SEO here. We will remove it and we will make it learn Nova. Tagline, membership, LMS website with membership LMS website with community and booking features. So this will be the tagline, and from here we can choose the site icon. We will just click on it. It will take us to the media library. So from here we'll add the file. We will go here, we will go here, Nova, and here we have the we will use it as an icon. So okay, let's use it. Grab it, and yes, and from here we can edit email. Here we can change the default user role, language, time zone, and time format. We'll save it. Okay, now let's go to the second important thing here is permalinks. So this is the permalinks link option that we will use. So just update it. So this is the, I think the walkthrough of WordPress dashboard is completed. So let's go and start developing the website. So let's start at the first page, home. So start publish. Okay, this is how to add the pages. So let's add another page, that is, you can say, about, publish, and another page, contact us. So we could have some pages for the menu that we will add in the header. Okay, so this is completed. I think we have added 3 pages. So now next we will develop the menu. So we will go to the appearance, and here we will go to the menu. Right now we don't have any menu, so we will develop one. Main menu, create. So menu is created. Right now we will add some new options. Home will be the first, then about. Let's add some more pages using custom links. So right now we will make it courses. This means home page link. Okay, so right now we don't have the page, so that's why we are just using it as a placeholder. Later when we will install the LMS plugin, then we will add this original path. Okay, so let's events, not events, booking. Okay, sorry, here we will give a URL and then booking, or yeah, I think live events is better. Events. So we'll add this, and another we will add as community. So after about home, contact will be the last, courses, community, events, community. So yes, that's fine. So now our menu is created. So let's develop the header. Here we have 2 options, like first will be the customize it, and then we will go to the header, and here we have some default header option. So let's see how it looks on the front end. So here you can see this is the logo, and then we have this option. Actually, the issue is that other pages are not showing here because we did not select it menu from here. From here we can select the primary menu as a main menu, publish. Now let's see, here you can see about, home, courses, all the pages are available right now. So here we have some more options. You can remove the logo and you can change the logo, and some other options like size, and these are site title visibility, like this title visibility. So you can remove it. Yes, this is a site tag that we set in the at the start of the uh, video. Okay, so and here we have some more design options. You can control the colors, and you can font size, and then margin and everything. So here we have another options, like we can add more than one item here and here, and we can drag to change its position. Like we can add the logo at in the middle, sorry, menu in the middle. Here you can see, and here we can add a button as well. So we can write register, and we can style the button from here. You can add the URL, and we can add here URL like WPKits.io, or we can add rover.com. Okay, so slash sign up. So this is how we can add the links here, and we can change this text as well. Sign up. Okay, and open in new tab. When we enable it, when someone click on it, it will be open in the next tab, new tab. So yeah, these are the options that we can change. Like here we can make this button round. Okay, let's lock it round. Here you can see, and I think this is looking nice in this rounded corners. And you can add the shadow box and everything. You can add all these paddings, like from here you can change the padding. Let me show you. Here you can see left side. So, and these are the margin options. You can use that. So one option is that, let me show you how it looks on the, here you can see. So this is the one option that we can use it for developing the header, and the other option is also available, where we can go to the Elementor and theme builder. In the theme builder we have header option, and in the header we will go here, we will add this, and let's remove its padding, default padding. So here we will add the logo. Here you can see this is the logo. This is the logo that we will add here, and then we have the menu option. Menu. So okay, we will use this menu, and then we have the button option. So we can use this button. So this is the default button style and color. So we can of course change it. Let's make it 15, and these 15 we will go 25, 25, 50. So we will give it 60. Okay, now we will resize the logo. Let's publish it. Let's make it, let's check. Here you can see. So let's do its color, background color, menu, whole menu, save, and here you can see. So right now you can see this the alignment is not good between the menu and these things. We will go to the main section and then we will go to the layout, and here we have the options, center. Let's check again, refresh the page. Now you can see this. Now alignment is better, a little bit better. So let's give it some more width. Let's give the header 1300. Let's see how it looks. Refresh the page, and here you can see this is, I think this is a decent content width. But we have some more options, like instead of giving this instead of giving it width, it should be default. We will keep it default, and then we will go here and we will align it to the left, and here in the button, on the button we will go and align it to the right. Let's check now. Yeah, this is good. I think now the content width is decent, we can use it. So the header is ready. Let's style it a little bit. The menu will go to the, here the pointer, you can see this. When we hover, it's a underline, green underline, that is a pointer. So we will make it none. Here you can see. Now we have just hover effect. So yes, we will save it so far. Now we will go to the style, and let's add some site settings, global colors. The primary color, we will give it this one as the primary color. So we will save it up front, so we don't need to copy again and again. So another text color, I think this should be black. Yes, this black, and it should be 0000. So this is black, and then we can add another color, make it black and white, and make it so. Now save it. Yes, go back to editor. Yes, here you can see now our color is changed. Let's go to the hover. We have this one, so we normal color is this. So hover color, we will go here, and from here we will select this. So there should be no change, or just make it a little bit gray when we hover on it. You can see here. Yes, and active color, we will make it this color, or primary color. So let's see how it looks in the front end. Yes, you can see this, and normal color, color. Here you can see the active color is blue now. So let's do it. Okay, so what we can do, we can click on the button, and from here we can change its content, like we can write sign up from here and from here we can change the link from here, and from here we can add the icons option. In the button you can insert the icons. From here you can click and you can go for the in the icons library, and you can select any icon from here. Let me show you. Arrow, let's add the long arrow, insert. Here you can see the icon is inserted, so we can reposition it at the end, and from here we can give the spacing as well. So but right now we don't need the icon, so we will remove it. And from here you can add a custom icon. You will just enable it and upload the SVG file and that icon will be added here. And then we have some style options. So there's two options, like we can style it from here like a hard code. We will just style this individual button, or we can go in the global settings, site settings, and then here we have the button option, and from here we can style it. So we can change its typography, like we will use open, and from here we can resize its text, like we will use it 16. From here we can change the weight, like we can make it the text bold or whatever you want, like 400 to 900, or you can just select the bold or normal default. We will keep it default for now. And transform, from here we can make it uppercase or lowercase, capitalize, and normal. From here line height, and line height here you can see, but right now we will keep it default. And letter spacing, between the letters it will increase or decrease the size, so for now we will keep it default. So these are some more options. Word wrap, here you can see. Okay, word spacing, sorry. Okay, so now let's the text color should be white. Okay, and the background color, we will keep the background color as the primary color, and then we will, yes, border radius, like these rounded corners, we can make it 8 instead of this, so, and save it. And now when we cross it and we'll back, here you can see the style is not properly applied, especially the colors and font, they are not applied properly. The reason is let me go back here, and in the button, this is good that this issue come up, so I can explain you. Otherwise sometimes it does not happen. So here it already showing the warning note. So we will click here and we will go here, and from here we will disable default colors and default font. Here you can see, and just save it. Now we will go back and we will cross it, and okay, so I think button, yes, this is applied and saved. So go back, I think, refresh and refresh the page. Here you can see now this is applied properly. So yes, now if we will go here and button, from here we can go to typography. Wait, now we will see the live change. Here you can see, here previously it was not working because of that note, but now it's working fine. So we will keep it normal as 400, or we will keep it, make it default, yes, 500. So we'll save it, and now when next time we will select the button, it will automatically apply the, here you can see the style. So we have designed the button globally. So now let's see on the front end. Let's refresh. Yes, this is good, but now you can see this this menu is not in the center of between the button and logo. So what we will do, here you can see its container width is 15%, but it's 25, so we will make it 15. Increase the little bit size of the logo, and increase its size 62, 15 and 15, 30, so remaining 70 we will give it. And what we will do now, we will align it center. Now we will publish and refresh the page. Here you can see now this is in the center between the both elements, logo and button. So this logo should have the link. From here we can add a custom link to the home page. So now our header is also completed. Refresh the, so we don't need it. Refresh the page. Here you can see the header is completed, and yes. So next we will add a little bottom border to the header. Instead of border, let's add a shadow. Let's see how it works. So here is the shadow, but we need a very soft shadow. So we will lower its transparency to 0.1, opacity to 0.1, and we will make it 5 instead of 10, and it's outside. Yes, this is fine. So publish. Let me show you difference. Right now you can see the header, and after refresh, here you can see this is the header. Now it's have some differentiation between the body and header, so it's looking nice now. So now we will go for the hero section. So we will use 2-column section. Remove is default padding of main section. Let's make it, instead of 50, make it 35, and let's make it 35 means 15, 65. Let's add an image here. Or we can, yes, in the background, let's try to add the image in the background. Let's see, is it look better in the background, or we should add it on the front end. Let's try it. Yes, this is added. Now let's do a little bit settings. Center this image, then it's make it no repeat, display cover. Okay, so let's add some spacer, so the image can have some space to fit in. Yes, I think this is the better. Okay, let's add some text to this content to this section. So for the content, we will take okay, we have here we can go and user preferences, and we have shorthand quick edit options. So now you can see when I hover on it, it will show some options like duplicate and cross. We will cross it. So we will go here, add the heading, and heading should be learn skills. Okay, and now we will duplicate this and we'll write here teach the word dot, and then on the third we write grow together, then again dot. So here you can see it has too much gap, so we can reduce this gap to 0. Okay, so let's make it, the biggest is this one, so we will apply the font size. No need to sans. This is I'll use for the header. So for the copy and paste style, so typography is applied on these two as well. That's the biggest one, and give it a size like 54. It's big, so make it small, little bit more, and give it a weight of 1600, 600, 800. No, I think 600 is enough. So same style will apply to this one. Learn together. Same this one. Now let's add some more style to this. Let's change its color. Like we will make primary color, and I think we should give it some more weight. That's 700. Yes, 700 is good. So we will give this 700 weight to all three. 700. Nonito Sans. Okay. So yes, let's save it, and now we will add a description to it. We will get this text editor, and here we will add some copy from the hero section. Copy this just to remove its current style. Paste it here, and yeah, I think font size is good. Let's change the family button. Now we will add it 2 buttons. So okay, just yes, 2 buttons. So for adding 2 buttons in line, we will use a container, because otherwise they will be stack on each other. So we will remove its default padding. Now we will add the first button. Here you can see it already has the styling, and then we will let's now what I'll do to have them in line, I'll go to the layout of this container and then change its direction to row. Here you can see, but okay, let's add it first. Explore courses, and this button is for join free. So to call the call to actions, so but both the buttons have the same style. That's not looking good, so we will change the style of one button. So what we will do is normal text color, we will make it black, jet black, and then in its background color we will make it white, and now you can see it's not looking like a button. So what we will do now, we will add a solid border to it. Border width we will make it 2 and blue with the primary color, and its radius should be 8 as it is on here. You can see now it's looking better. Okay, so I did a mistake, sorry about that. I just added the hero section in the headers so that's funny. So which is not good, because this will appear on every page. So here you can see, so this mistake is also good, so you will understand that this this is the hero section of the home page, but it will appear on every page because we added it in the header. It will, you will choose, here you can see in the about page, the again, and in the courses you will see again every. Let me show you here. On the home you can see, in the contact you will see this. So everywhere you will see it right now, because this is added in the header, and the header is set up as global. So okay, so let's fix this issue. We'll go here on the dashboard. In the pages, we'll go to the home page, because this is the home page hero section. So what we will do, from template, here we will use the template Elementor full width. Okay, now we will save it and we will click on edit with Elementor. Now here you can see this is in the header. You can see this is header, and along this header the hero section is also added in the header, so it will be. So what we will do, we will just click on it. From here I will copy it and then I will delete it. I will publish it, and now I'll go to the edit page, save and leave. Now here I will paste this. So now I'll save it, and I'll go on the front end. Let me go here. From this I button you can see the preview. Here you can see the header, and then this is the hero section, and now this hero section will only you will see on home page, not any other page. You can see in the about page you will here is only header, and when you go here in this contact us, here you will see only header, not the hero section. Hero section is now only on the home page. So from the header page we will just delete this, publish, and we will go back to the WordPress dashboard, because hero section is completed and we were working on the header is completed and we were working on the hero section. So let's add some padding, top and bottom padding. So we will add a top padding of 50 and bottom padding is also 50. So save it and preview it. Yes, now you can see we have a decent gap between the header and the hero section, and in the top and bottom. So let's proceed with the hero section. So now we will add a trust icon here. Again we will take this image, we will add this image in the main section, main container, and we will add here an image, that is this one. This is a interesting image. Here you can see. So we will just give a little bit style, remove the padding, and yes, save it. Let's see on the front end. Yes, this is. So these images are let's make it yes, we will go here, we will remove this spacer, setting. Now we will go to the style and image. It should contain. So let's see how it is looking now. Contain. I think contain is not looking better, so we will go for the another option. We will use the image widget, and then we will add this image, and now we will publish. See on the front end, now you can see the image is just on the upper corner. So what we will do to align it with the other, I'll in the container make it center, and what if we will do that, give it little, but if we will adjust its size 35 to it, make it 40, and this will be 60. Yes, let's see how it is looking now. Yes, looking fine. I think it's looking fine. So the hero section is also completed. So now let's add some fun facts section here. So we will go here, select the flex, and here we will select the 4 columns, by default 4 columns. So again I'll remove its default padding. Let's add a counter. Yes, here you can see. So here we will add the cool number instructors. We have 40 plus instructors. Okay, so let's design it a little bit. I will go to this style, and let's see what is this. Okay, style, and from here you can set the counter position, like you can set it below, top, or you can start and end, wherever you want to add, you can add it. So I think on the top it is better, on the top. So you can change the position of numbers as well, and gaps you can do. Okay, first we'll go for the number. here I will pop in, and I'll bold it a little bit more to, okay, it's already 600, so I'll do it 700. Okay, now I think 600 is good, so I'll reduce its size. Right now, whatever its size, I'll make it this one. I think make it 50, and then I'll go for the title like instructors. So first I'll change its color, then I'll increase its size to 24, and then after that I'll make it bold, and I think size is, we can increase a little bit more. Okay, 26. Copy and then paste, and on the second number we have 300 plus courses, and here we will rename it courses, sorry, COU courses, and again I'll copy and paste it here, and third option will be we have 25,000 plus students, and again copy paste, and here we have 4.4. Why? Oh my god, what it's doing. 4.9 rating. So rating let's see, here you can see the fun fact section is also completed. Now I just need to give it some padding, top and bottom. Let's save and see on the front end how it looks. Yes, this is good. Now we will go for the next section, that is course categories. So here we will add heading, and heading will be top courses in demand in high demand skills. Okay, so let's do it. Go here in the typography, you will select Magneto Sans and give it a weight of 600. It's already 600, 700, and then its size should be 24. No, it should be somewhere around 30, and let's make it center, and in high demand we will keep it in the second row. For that we will use line break tag, HTML tag. So I think I would like to give it some more bold, make it bold. Okay, so now next we will go for the categories. For that we will use this container, and in this container we will change its direction to row. Then we will use its here icon box. Here you can see the icon box, and first option that we will, first category that we will use, that will be web development. Web development, and then after that this one in the description. Okay, now we need to style it. So code development के लिए इसको, for the development we can use this, and we can add link to this icon box from here. And here in the settings you have the settings to open in new window. Okay, so when we click on it, when someone click on this box, the link will open in the new tab, and from here we can select the dynamic URL as well. Here you can see from the post, and then further we can go in. Okay. So now we will style it. We'll go here. We will, what we will do, we'll go to the, let's see, here we have other options. View. Yes, it's the view is about the icon view, like it should be in stacked or in circle, and from here rounded, square, whatever you want, and frame you can use this, and rounded frame, or we can use circle. So I think we will use circle. So, and let's make it stacked and then rounded. So and now we will go to the style tab, and from here we can style it. The center, icon spacing, we can adjust the icon spacing from here. Content spacing we can adjust here, because right now the content spacing is very much. So let's make it 4 or 5. Okay, then icon settings. From here we can change the primary color to this, and but this is, I don't want to make this much. And the secondary color, that we can use the black this way, or we can use this secondary color, we can use this as well. Just a minute. Yes, here you can see this is looking good. and let's see. Yes. So now let's style it. Uh, we will go to the style options, and here we have this option. We can make the icon at the end, top and bottom. So we will keep it on the top and left align. And after that we have some icons size. We will make it reduce its size, and the padding is good, so we will keep the padding as default. From here we can rotate this icon, so we don't need it to rotate. And radius, border radius, so we can control the border radius from here. You can see, but we will keep it as 8. So yes. And another thing that what we will do some settings. Okay, for the content first we will see the typography. For the title we will make it Nito Sans, and then weight it as 700. Size is 20, because that size was, I think size is, we should take the size as 18 and make it a little bit more bold. And after that, description open, and make it 16. I think this gap is too narrow. Let's go to the box and icon spacing. Yes, this is good. 15. Okay, so now what we will do, we will add a button here or link here. Here you can see I added it to save the time. I will just copy paste this here. Here you can see this will lead to the external another page or external link. So now what we will do, we will give it a padding of around 30, and then we will go for the border, widget border, and here instead of giving a border we will give it a shadow, and we will make it soft. I think 15 is enough, and make it 5, and border radius we will give it 10. Now it's looking good. So what we will do, the copy and paste the style. Paste the style. Now we can change the content. We will just go to here. From here we will copy this mobile app. Go here, mobile app, and then its description. Oops. description, and now data science. For the third one, data science. Now it's description. Just copy and we will paste it here. Now we will add this button link, HTML link. Copy and we will just paste it here. And here you can see href, and this is the, here we will add the URL. This /main website URL /course. So this is right now, this is anchor tag. So we will you can add any URL here, and the same thing we will do with it. We'll just add it, save it, and we can, for the mobile, we can Android icon is public. So Apple Play Store, we can add this one, and for the data science data, we can add this icon, and let's duplicate it and make this wrap. So it's yeah, make it custom width 32%. Again we will copy and paste the style, paste the style, paste the style. Okay, so now the fourth one is UI UX design. So we will paste it here. After that, description. So here you can see I added all 6 categories. So I think this section is also completed. Let's add 2 more sections here. Here we will go, and now we will select 2 column layout, and then we will add an image inside it. Oh, sorry, it's, yes, we will add the image here, and we'll click here, and we will upload the image from here, from our computer. Select it. Let's see on the front end. Yes. So now you can see here we have a narrow gap. So let's add some padding. I think we should add on this section. We'll go advanced. Here we will add the top padding 50 and bottom padding 50. So total it will be 100 pixels, 50 from here, 50 from here. So in the same way we will add padding here, top 50 and bottom 50. Let's do a little bit styling on the, let me check on the front end. Yes, this is fine. Now, yeah, I think it's image is good. no need to add some more styling on it. Otherwise you can go here and in the style options we have some options, like we can resize it, the image, and we can add some hover effects. These you can see, transition or something, and we have the border option. We can give it a border radius of 8 because it has a white background, so the border is not visible. Here you can see, no, not visible border. So what we can do, we can add a border, solid 2, and we can make it soft. Now we can refresh the page to see the, here you can see. So I think it's good not to have border in this situation on this image. So let's add some text on it. Here we will design it something like that. Here you can see. So we will try to make something like this. So let's add the, okay, we will use icon list for this, and what we will do, we will go here and we will do it this way, and here we will use course, no, book option. Yes, we can solid. Okay, we will use this icon and we name it course, and the second, here we will use dot, or you can use circle, here use this, and here we will powered by CurriculumKit. CurriculumKit is a plugin, course plugin. Here you can see it's powered by WPKits plugin. Let me show you. Yes, here you can see these are CurriculumKit. Here is the plugin. It has some features like AI course builder, and then it have instructor kit, WooCommerce integration. You can sell the courses by WooCommerce. AccessKit getting, like you can sell the courses with using AccessKit memberships, visual builder, drip feed, and then quizzes. It has question banks, and student dashboard. It has certificates, assignments, and sequence learning, like linear or sequence, and progress tracking, reporting, automation. So there are too much options. There are so many features in this plugin, and its price is quite reasonable, $148 per year. If you want a premium, then $198. It included the instructor kit as well for the instructor roles, and then you have a lifetime, that one-time payment, and you will get all the future updates for free for the single payment. Okay, let's go here. So yes, and what we can do, we can add a background color. Let's make it a different circle, like we can circle, we can use this circle. Okay, so let's add its background color. Here we will go in the background. Here we will add this color, and then after that we will decrease its opacity. Here you can see, and we will add some padding to it. Let's add 5 padding, and now we will adjust its width so it fit in the, here is, okay. Now we will go here, and yes, this again we will go in the advance and border. Here we will give it a border radius of 8. Yes, now this is looking fine. Let's see on the front end. Refresh the page. Yes, this is looking good. Now we will add another heading. Here you can see. Yes, now we will paste the content, and yes, here we will use line break tags to break the line. Scale from here again, I'll use the line break tag. Now we will adjust its size. Naneto Sans typography, and its size should be 30 to 42, and we will make it bold. I think even more. Okay, so now we will add a line. Line is a divider widget. Here we will add it. We will adjust its width, and from here we will adjust the gap, and I'll give it a weight of 2. No, it should be 3. Okay, so from here we will add the color to this line. Now yeah, in this line we can add some more options, like we can add elements, we can add text icon. Let me show you. Here you can see the icon is added, or we can do it, we can add this text as well. Here you can see, and we can use none of them. And in the line we will go again in the border, and I'll give it a radius of 50. No, it's not working for that. Okay, so we will keep it as it is. Yes, here we have some more options like dashed. You can use dotted, you can use double line, or whatever you want, but we will use just solid, simple. Save it and let's see on the front end how it looks. Refresh. Yes, this is good. So now we will add description here, and from here I will copy this description. Okay, so this is the description. So we added this. Sorry, no, don't wanna 50. Yes, that is fine. So now we will add a button here. You can see this button, and yes, this is enough. We will use explore courses, and here we will add an icon as well from the icon library, arrow. So I will use long arrow. Insert. So arrow should be on the at the end. So here we will add, and we will give a little more gap to it and save it. Let's see on the front end how it looks. Refresh. So here you can see something went wrong. Let me see. So let's see. Yes, it should be 50, and let me see this. This is 50. So save it. Let's see here. Refresh. Yes, now it is good. Right now this is good, but we can make it even better because the image size is not good here. So what we will do, we will go here and we will reduce its size to this section to 40 and increase its size to 60. So now the image is bigger, better bit. Now I will remove its padding, and here what I will do, first we will do some styling here. We'll go here in the style, then we will go typography. Here I'll select Nonito Sans, and I'll make it 12. Yes, now this is good. And yes, so publish, refresh, image is bigger. Now the image is in a decent size, of a decent size, but the text section is at the top, so we will make it in the justified content center. Publish, refresh. Now this is good. This is very good now. The image is of decent size. So let's add the second section. Again we will use 2 columns. Now this time I hope we will do it fast, because we need to do pretty much the same things that we did before. This time we will have the image here, and again same thing, we will remove this padding, we will give it 60% and we will give it 40%. Now we will add the image, upload from our computer for the community, add it, select. Now we will add the content, we will just copy it and we will paste it here. Again we will copy this, paste it here. Again we will copy this and we will paste it here, copy, paste. It will save our time, and you already learned about how we did this all, so we don't need to repeat it. So here we will just change the wording community and change the we will use this icon, and powered by CircleKit. This is also WPKits plugin, a very good plugin. So now we will change the text. Join a community that learns together. Copy, yes, copy. Now we'll go here, we will just paste it here, add line break, BR tag, and then again we will use BR tag. Yes, this is good. Now we will add the description, copy, we will paste it here. Okay, no, I think we copied wrong thing. Okay, go here, paste it here. Okay, we will diffuse the previous style, and now add here, and the button join community, publish. Let's see on the front end, refresh. Here you can see the image should be in the center, justified center. Now again refresh the page. Yes, image should be a little bit more heighted, but this is also looking good, no problem. We can go with it. And what we can do here, we can add, to give it gap between these, we can add a column gap of 20, 30. Now refresh. Yes, now there is a decent gap. Looking good. Let's go for the pricing tables, because this is a membership website. So we will make the pricing table for the membership prices. So again we will go for this, and we will delete this one, and now we will have adjust their sizes. 33.3%, and this will also occupy 33.3%, and this will also occupy 33.3%. So now we have three columns, each for a pricing table. So we have a pricing table widget as well. Pricing table, here you can see, we will just drag and drop this table and we can add it. Here we will add the title. Yes, this will be monthly membership. Okay, and from here we can go monthly membership, enter the description. Here you can add this will be billed on monthly basis. And from here we can adjust its price. We can adjust the currency as well. The price is 39 point, let's make it $30. And yeah, we don't need it because it's a small amount that we are using. And scale sales price you can add, like it previously it was 60, so now it is for 30, so you can do it as well. But right now we are not going to use it. And monthly price, then see the features. These are the features are available. So what are the features we have? We will write here, like courses. Then we have quizzes, and we have certificates. And then we have community plugins, community features. Community, I think we should try it. Social community, and events, appointments, so these are all the features are available. And in the footer we will make it buy now, and here we can add the image, add the URL of the payment page or checkout page. And here you can add any note that we are going to remove right now. So now this is about the ribbon. You can see this ribbon. We don't want to apply it over here. So now let's copy it and paste it here, and here we will add it monthly to, it will become yearly plan, and save up to let's make it to 10%, up to 10% on yearly plan. So this will be, the price will be with the $27, 10% off, so it will be price will be $324, and the rest of the features are just same. We just yearly, it's just payment terms that we changed, and the rest of the features will be available for the both as same. So let's do it a little bit, add some little bit styling to it. Here you can see features are not properly aligned, so first we will do fix it. We will go here in the style tab, and here we will go to the features, and in the features it's center, so we will make it here. Now this is aligned, but they are just touching the edges. Let's add some padding here from left to right. So let's add 40. Now we should add some more, like 60. Now 80. Now the issue is that this padding is also applied on this divider, so we will remove the divider, but now we don't have any option to adjust the gap between this list, so we will do something different. We will play a trick. We will width of this divider, we will make it 0 now. Yes, and now we can adjust the gap. Okay, so because when we turned off divider, then we don't have option to adjust the gap between the list, so that's why we did this trick, that we use it. We width the 0 of this divider, and then we, yes, so this is the default, and we will increase from it a little bit like this, and now we will just copy it and paste this style, paste style over here. Now both tables are fixed. Now we will make little bit different styling on it to make it our featured plan. Just first we will add a popular ribbon, and then we will go to the style tab, and here we will change the color of header. Here you can see, and yes, this is enough for that for now. Or we can go to the ribbon. Let's see if we can change. No, background color is good. Text color, if we will make it blue, no, I think white is okay. So this will be the popular, and now we will go for the third table, in the third table will be the lifetime plan, and this will be the one time payment. Okay, so what should be its price? We will make it $9.99 per month. We will remove it to lifetime access. So buy now, yes, this is fine. Further, we can style it like the pricing table. If you'll go here in the pricing table, we can pricings. From here we can add a background color to pricing background as well, but we will keep it default color, and we can change the text color like $9.99 price color. From here we can change this lifetime text color, but we will keep it as it is. And you can open its typography, you can change it. And the price, we will this color. Here we can change the price color, so it should look some different. Here you can see. So save it, and let's see on the front end. Refresh the page. Yes, this is the pricing table. So again, I think, yes, we did not added any padding to it. Let's add a top padding of 50 and bottom padding of 50. So now this is publish and refresh. Yes, now this is looking good. I think very good. So the pricing table section is also completed. We can apply some more styles to make it looking better. What we can do here, we can go to the advanced tab and layout, motion transfer. Okay, we will go here. Okay, no, we were in the main section. We need to go in the table and header. Okay, we will go advanced, and here we will go to the border. In the border, we will give it a radius of 8. Let's see the difference. Refresh. Yes, I think this rounded corner are looking better than the others, so we will make it. We will add a border as well. What I'll do, number one thing, solid, make it 1, and I will reduce its opacity. Here you can see, yes, this is fine. So another thing that we will do, I'll go its background color, and from here I'll make it white. Let's see the difference on the front end. The background color is not changed. I think it will be changed from the set style tab. From here, the header background, no, we don't need to change it. In the price, yes, from background color we will make it white from here. And then we'll go to the features, background color, we will make it white from here. And in the footer, again we will go here and we will the background color white. Now we will save it and see on the front end. Yes, now this is, let's see. Yes, this is a white background, not full white. Full white is FFF. So we will use this color. I'll copy this style and paste this style over here. Now refresh. In the same way, we cannot paste its style here because it will change the other styles as well. Overwrite this. So in the header will be this color, and in the here we will go white, and then we will go to the features, and in the features background color we will make it white, and in the footer we will go make it white, and yeah, ribbon, I think I don't need it. So publish on the front end, refresh. This is how these tables are looking on the front end. Now we will go for the next section, that will be the FAQs. So we will add another section. Here we will add a heading, that is FAQs. We will make it center. It should be NATO sans, and its size should be 42. Make it 900 or 800, and now we will go for the toggle accordation. Yes, from here we will add the question, and here we will add the answer. So here we will add the first question. I'll go here, copy this question, diffuse its styling, current styling, and I'll paste it here. Oh, sorry, paste it here. This is CSS ID. So now add the, here we will add the text editor, and in the text editor we will add this text, copy it, we'll go here in the code, we can add it so it does not have this. So this way we will add the 5 or 6 FAQs. So here I added 6 FAQs, and let's see, from here we can set its alignment, like we can make it center, left, or we can use this one, this and here. So, and this way we will use the left line. And icons, these are the icons. We can change the icons from here, from icon library. And like angles, we can use like this. We can use this angle, and for here we can use this angle. When it will be open, this close. So we can use these angles, and we can reposition it from at the end or on the start. I think on the start is better. At the end or it should be here, then this will be better, but now okay. So, and FAQ schema, we can make it on for the SEO, so Google can understand that these are FAQs, or we can close it. And from the interactions, we can from here we can, by default, we can open the first will be open by default. When we will, let's see on the front end how it looks. Refresh the page, you can see here by default this is open, but I don't want it to be open. All should be collapsed. So refresh. Now refresh the page. Yes, all is collapsed. But right now you can see it's not looking good, because you can see it's stretched around the whole width. So we will do it little bit styling. So we will go to the style tab, and here we have options, styling options for this FAQ. So first we will increase the space between these, and let's see on the front end. Refresh the page. Here you can see, but still I don't like it's stretched around and occupying the full width, full content width. So let's fix this issue. Let me see from where we can do it. Okay, we will do it from here, custom, and we will, yes, this option, this width is enough. So let's make it 60%, and 60%, and now we want it in the middle alignment or center. We will use this align items center. So let's see how it looks on the front end right now. Yes, now this is a little bit better, but let's do some more styling. Now we will go for the style. No, it's main section. Going from here, normal. In normal we will give it a radius, border radius like 8, and publish. Let's see, right now the corners are so sharp. Let me refresh. Here you can see Now the sharpness is gone and it's rounded corner and it's looking better. Yes, this is looking better, but here this border line, separation line, that is not looking good, because it has rounded corners but it has still sharp corners. So let's go in the content area and let's see what are the options we have. This border radius, let's make it 8. So yes, now this is, but still this border line I don't like it. Let's see on the front end, then we will decide what we should do with it. Yes. Yes, I don't like this line, border line. So what we will do, solid and 2. Now what, unlock it, and we will remove the top border. Here you can see now there is a single border line that comes from the question side. So we will go to this header, and here we have this option. Yes, here we have this option. So I'll give it solid border, again 2, unlock, and I will remove the bottom border line. Let's see. No, it's not looking good, because it should have, in the active we should do something like this. What I will do here, again 2 border, and I'll unlock, remove the bottom. Let's see, now it's looking a little bit better. Let's see on the front end, refresh. Yes, this is good, but these round corners are not looking good, so we can do with it as well. Yes, in the active we will remove these. Let's see, the bottom should be 0. Yes, here you can see this is straight line now, and now we will remove the right side. No, it's not right side should be 8. On left side we will make it 0. Yes, in the same way we will go for the content, and here we will do the same thing, but here we don't have the option of active. Yes, we will go here and unlock this, and make 0. Okay, unlock this, 8 and 0, 0. Let's see on front end, refresh. Here you can see now this is looking very good. A single border with rounded corners. but it reshape a little bit, like the bottom side, bottom border has a sharp corner, but still it is looking good. Here you can see this is fine, but now we will add some padding on top and bottom of this section. 50 top, 50 bottom. Save. Let's see on the front end. Refresh. Yes, now we have a decent distance. So now let's go for the final step of the landing page. It will be the footer. One thing that we can create a footer here, like, let me show you. I want to remove its default padding, and I think no, we will get 4 column, and now we will remove its default padding. Here I will add the logo. First we will give it a background color. In the style, here is background and background color. From here, yes, this is the background color that we will use. Copy, and here we will paste it. This is the background color. And now yes, now I will go for the image, and we will add the logo, footer logo, this one, and here. So logo is added. Now we will add a little description to this logo below the logo. Here is the description. Just diffuse the front styling and add it over here. Let's give it top padding 50 and bottom padding 50. So this will be the first column, and let's save it and check it on the front end how it looks. Refresh the page, and here it is. Next we will add social icons. Social icons here below this. No, sorry, we will use below this description, but colors are not good, and size, so we will add another option like LinkedIn. We will use this, and for the Facebook we will use this simple, and for the X, yeah, we can use this, and yes, this is good. So now let's do it add some styling, circle, and we will reduce its size and increase the gap sorry, spacing, and I don't like the official colors, so I'll go for the custom. Primary color we will use white. Now let me see, this is, I think, primary color will be white and secondary color will be gray. So let's try this color. Yeah, I think this is better. Yeah, we will use the primary color. So let's go for the second column. Here we will add the heading. Quick links. Quick links. And let's do it a little bit styling. And it should be around 16. No, it's too small. Let's set 18, 20, and it should be 600. It's already, so 700. Yes. No, I think it should be 600 is enough. Now we will add some quick links. Instead of adding this, I'll go for the list icon list. We will add it here. No, this. Remove the icons. This first will be the course, and second will be community, and third will be the events, fourth will be, we can say, dashboard. I think dashboard should be on the top, so let's save it. And let's see, publish, refresh. Gap is not good, there should be some more gap. Let's go here. First I'll improve its style, give some space between, and now so we can adjust this gap from here. In the layout, column gap we can make it 40. So I think yes, I think now this is better. So in the list we can add link here, link to the pages, like, yes, like we can add about, here you can see, and this is, and I will go here in the text, the color should be black. So now you can see this. Let's see on the front end, we added some gap as well, so let's see how it is looking now. Yes, now this is looking better. So let's go for the third column. Here we will add, again we will copy it, paste, we will name it sport. So for the sport we can just copy, paste, we will change them, we will make it FAQ, and then we can add docs, and then we can add help, center, then we can add contact us, and here you can contact us, we can add this. So, and we can remove this event. Save it. Let's see on the front end how it looks. Looking good. So let's go for the next. Again, copy, paste, we will write it account. Okay, again copy, paste. Now we will change this login, then we will go for register, and we will go for my account, then we at the end we will go for my profile. Yes, publish, and let's see on the front end how it looks. Refresh. Yes, so here we have too much empty spaces that we can use here, so we could have some more gap space between these two columns. So let's go here, 25, let's make it 20, let's make it 20, again make it 20. So we saved 15, that 15 we can add here, so it will be 40. Now we will adjust its size, max width, we will, yes, this is the size, yeah, this is enough, and we will make it left align. Let's save and refresh. Yes, now this is looking good. So our header is also, footer is also done. So right now you can see this footer is here, we can see the footer. When we will go on about page, we have header but not footer. When we will go to contact page, we have header but not footer. The reason is that we have created the footer on the home page, but we did not created it in the in its global space. Let's go to the theme builder, Elementor theme builder, and here we will go for footer, add new footer, and let's do from the scratch. So what we will do, I'll just copy it, copy, paste here. I developed this here just to show you, but technically we should make it global footer, and from here you can target it where you want to display, include entire website, or we have some more options. Like from here we can go for the singular, then we have these all the options. So right now we will go for entire website, and let's refresh the page, and here you will see two. Now here you can see, now we have two footers. One footer is this one is global footer, that we just switched it to the footer global footer page, and the second one is on the home page. Here you can see. So let me show you that the footer is also appearing on the about page now, contact page, and all the pages. Right now all the pages have the footers, but the home page has two footers. So how we will fix it? We will just go to the home page, edit, and we will delete this, publish, and refresh. Now you will see, yes, now we have the only global footer and rest of all the sections. So right now the landing page is completed. Next we will go for the membership creation, because we already have these tables. So now we will go for the membership creations. So we will create the memberships.